स्टैंडर्ड का चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट सेट, जिसका एक्सरसाइज है 1.2। तो 1.2 में से जो भी एग्जांपल आज रहेंगे वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे। मैं सतीश आपका स्वागत करता हूँ एसयू लर्निंग में। डायरेक्टली हम कंप्लीट करते हैं हमारा प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3। व्हाट प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3 says? 3 says state whether each of the following sets is finite or infinite. For this we will require the definition of finite set and definition of infinite set. Okay, now what is meant by finite sets? Finite sets are nothing but, suppose A is a set. Okay, A is empty. If it is empty, or number of elements in A, I will denote it by P of A, sorry, N of A, number of elements in A are finite. That time you call your set A as infinite set. Okay, this is your finite set. And what about infinite sets? If this number of element of set A is infinite, that time you will say that set as infinite set. This is the only definition depending upon number of elements of your set. Now we will see one by one examples of this particular exercise. Here we are seeing at example number 3. What first example says? The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. What set they have given? The set of lines that are parallel to x-axis, that you can see here. Now we will define the set here. Okay, what set will consist? Suppose you are having some card, here it is your Cartesian plane, and you need to find the line which is parallel to x-axis. You can observe parallel to x-axis, again x-axis is there, it is 1. Now go here. Okay, this is a line which is parallel to x-axis. What is that parallel? Parallel line is nothing but the line which never intersect with that line. You can see these two lines never intersect. Now it is sufficient whether this is the only line. We can find the other line here. Okay, in between these two lines we can find this line. Means for each point y equal to some c. Okay, you will find that all lines are nothing but parallel to x-axis where c belongs to r. Y equal to c. For any c you will find line parallel to x-axis. Means for all elements in R you will find that y equal to c is a parallel to x-axis. How much c are there? C are infinite. Therefore number of elements in your set parallel. Your set here example number first, parallel lines to x-axis. Okay, these are nothing but y equal to c lines that are infinite in quantity. Therefore you will say your set as infinite set, since there are infinitely many lines that are parallel to x-axis. Now example number 2. What example number 2 says? The set of letters in English alphabet. Do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet? Can you guess? Yes, there are finite numbers of sets elements in English alphabets. Therefore I will dictate my next set it as second. B equals to English alphabet, that I can write here A, B, C and up to Z. These are nothing but your elements of set number 2. Now you can count this number of elements in these sets are nothing but 26. That you know, you are studying in your previous classes or first second classes. That is the finite quantity. Therefore since number of elements are finite, therefore you will say this B as finite set. Okay, it has become finite. Now go for example number 3. What it says? The set of numbers which are multiples of 5, that I can write here somewhere here. Sets that is multiple of 5, I can write here it as x, such that x equal to multiple of 5, that you have seen in your example in some previous classes. In some classes multiple of 5 are nothing but 5k, where k belongs to z. You can take z. These are numbers that are multiple of 5, that are, you can take any number, no restriction on your number. Now what about these x's? How many x's are there? By varying the values of k you can find varied number of x's, but k are infinite since k belongs to z. Therefore number of elements in this set C, number of elements in set C are infinite. Therefore you will set C as infinite. Are you getting the definition now? C, number of elements are infinite, therefore C is the infinite set depending upon its cardinality. Okay, now what next question says? Next question is nothing but your the set of animals living on earth. Okay, I will find set of animals here somewhere here, fourth number. I will call it as D. How many animals are there on your earth? you can count the number of animals on your earth. Suppose this is a animal living on earth. Okay, that is your question. Now you can find number of animals that are living on earth. It means a number of elements in D is finite. The count is finite, means the count is finite, therefore the proper set or that set itself D is a finite set. Since number of animals you can count and that must be finite number, therefore your D will be finite set. Okay, this was all about D. Now the last but not the least, the set of circles passing through origin. This is very important question. You can see here. Now your 4 is there. Okay, the set of circles that are passing to your origin. Now you can observe here. Okay, somewhere I will plot my circles that are passing through origin. Look at that. You can draw a circle. Whether it is passing to origin? No, it is not passing to origin. Your origin is this. Therefore, I will not consider this circle. It is too much difficult to find circle passing to origin. I can draw another circle. Now observe here. Circle with center. Here -2, 0 and radius 2 is nothing but your circle passing through origin. Now whether it is only one, you can draw a similar circle here also that is passing through origin. Now draw one circle here also that will pass through origin. Same circle you can draw here that will pass through origin. Is it okay? Likewise you can draw lot many circles that are passing through origin. I am drawing here too much circles, infinitely many I can draw like this here. Okay, these are your circles that are passing through origins. Okay, that I am drawing completely here. Okay, these are circles. Now check whether how many circles are there. There are infinitely many circles. Means taking any radius in your x-axis. Suppose here it is, you are going adding and on and on increasing your radius. That will give you, each radius will give you one circle. This is not enough. You can go on all the x-axis as well. Go on and increasing your radius, that will give you definitely one circle that will pass through origin. Similarly, go here. You just increase your radius, suppose make it here. Now that will find some circle here. Okay? Means for all radiuses that are starting from origin to some axis, you can draw one circle from this passing to origin. It means there are infinitely many circles. Suppose set of circles I will draw here as circle passing to origin. Okay? Now look at here. How many circles are there? There are infinitely many circles. Number of elements are nothing but infinite. Therefore, you can find infinitely many circles passing to. You see, the set has infinitely many elements. Therefore, that set has become infinite set. Okay? Like this, you have to check how many elements are there in that set. That will define whether that set is finite or infinite, depending on its number of elements present in that set. Okay? Likewise, you can solve a lot of examples that are from your textbook, but this was up to your example number 3. We will see the next problem in the next video. Until now, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.